Hi guys, it's Grandma. I'm all tucked up and ready for bed. I've got my nightshirt on. I got my big blankie from my mama. And I kind of wish you were here and you could sit on my lap or sit beside me and we'd have a bedtime story. Are you ready for bed? Because I am. Let's have Go Dog Go by P.D. Eastman. Dog. Little dog. Big dog. Little dog. Somebody was naughty. Big dogs and little dogs. Black and white dogs. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye, goodbye. One dog going in, one little dog going in, three big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree, a blue dog on a red tree, a green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going round and round in cars. A dog out of a car. Two big dogs going up, one little dog going down. The green dog is up, the yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in, the red dog is out. Hang on. There we go. One dog up on a house, three dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree, a yellow dog under a tree. Two dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water, a dog under the water. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Oh, he stole her feather. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go around again. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under the house. Now it is night. Three dogs are at a party on a boat at night. Dogs at work. Work, dogs, work. Dogs at play. Play, dogs, play. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red now. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. Two dogs at play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. Now it is night. Night is not time for play. It is time to sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now it is time for all dogs to get up. Get up It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look where they are going. They are all going to that big tree over there. Up the tree, up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up on top of that tree? A dog party! A big dog party! Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs are all at a dog party. What a dog party! Hello again, and now do you like my hat? I do! What a hat! I like it! I like that party hat! Goodbye! Goodbye! Well, that was fun. So all the dogs are going to a party. But now it is night, and it is time to sleep. So, Grandpa loves you, and you go have some sleep too.